You've got water spots, it looks terrible, washing it alone does not remove it, and if you leave it on there long enough, it can cause permanent damage, costing you thousands of dollars in repairs. But luckily for you, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove it using only one product. Water spots can occur on your vehicle for two different reasons. One, you don't have protection, and two, you're using non-filtered water. Now keep in mind, we just finished washing this car, and as you can see, those water spots are still there. Basically, when it dries up, anything that was in that water, like the calcium and minerals that were in that ends up being left behind. And if you leave that on there long enough, it'll cause an etch into the surface, causing permanent damage. And like I said, it's gonna cost you thousands of dollars in repair because you're gonna have to get it repainted or even possibly wet sanded if you have that chance. Most times you don't, and then you're gonna have to be forced to repaint it. Since I did say we already washed this vehicle, we already basically have it halfway prepped. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to remove them. So, wouldn't be a chemical guys video without a good old-fashioned blue tape special. I did want to show you guys that wiping this alone will not remove it. And also just because in the time that we were doing this whole intro, there may have been some dust that may have landed on there, and we definitely don't want to apply the water spot remover gel while there's dust on the surface because we could potentially scratch it. So we're gonna grab our Speed Wipe Quick Detail Spray. This is a great, just kind of quick, clean kind of product. All you have to do is simply spray it directly onto the surface and wipe. And it smells incredible. And the great thing about Speed Wipe is that it's meant for instances like this where you just need a quick clean. So as you can see, I just used Speed Wipe on there. We picked up any kind of dust and debris that may have been on the surface. But the thing I did want to show you guys is those water spots are still there, right?
They sure are, Joey.
Now, the next thing that you're gonna wanna do is grab your bottle of water spot remover gel and a microfiber applicator. Now, the great thing about this product is that it is a gel, so you really do wanna go ahead and work it onto the surface. It's not just something that you just wanna apply, let it sit and wipe it off. And whenever you apply the gel, be generous with it. Don't apply too little or not too much. A little bit does go a long way. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is start off with these 3 small drops just because I am gonna only be working it on this half of the fender. And what I'm also gonna do is just kind of blot it out and then just go ahead and start wiping it and working it left to right. Do not apply any kind of excess pressure. Do not go ahead and do any kind of circular motions just because if you do get something caught on the applicator, you can potentially start scratching the surface. Now, as mentioned, whenever you're using this product, make sure that you're working it in straight lines and you don't have to put too much pressure onto it. Just go ahead and let the weight of your hand go ahead and do the work for you. It's non-acidic, it is a citrus-based cleaner. So this is gonna go ahead and literally dissolve any kind of minerals that are on the painted surfaces. And speaking of surfaces, this product works great on any kind of smooth, glossy surface. So you can apply it on the paint, you can apply it on glass, wheels, headlights, tail lights, metal, chrome, you name it. And you can even apply it at home on glass shower doors. Pro tip, that's one of my favorite products to use at home just because I do have glass shower doors and you guys already know the struggle with that. They get all wet, all the water spots dry up, and as mentioned, if you don't have filtered water at home, that's gonna etch the surface and cause those nasty water spots to occur at home. Now, one other thing I did wanna mention very quick is that whenever you're using this gel, I highly recommend that you do it out of direct sunlight. Yes, the sun is pointed directly at me, but as mentioned, the surface is cool to the touch. And then once you're all done working the product onto the surface, now you want to go ahead and remove it. But that's when you have your bottle of Speed Wipe. Now, pro tip for you guys out there, to help remove this a little bit easier and to also neutralize the product, that's why we recommend having that bottle of Speed Wipe. You can also use water or just simply wash your vehicle. Go ahead and spray that directly onto the surface that you just finished using the gel on. And like I said, that's going to neutralize the product and also make it a lot easier for you to wipe it off the surface. All right, guys, so we just finished buffing off the residue of that water spot remover gel. Now, it did an incredible job at removing the water spots, but the worst part about this whole process is that now we see the scratches and swirls that were hiding underneath. So although the water spots are gone, these scratches and swirls are a different kind of problem. But just to kind of show you guys the results that we just got, we're gonna go ahead and peel off this tape real quick so we can show you guys that beautiful blue tape special. All right, guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Just a quick little recap on the process that we did on today's vehicle. We started off by washing the car. If you only have the water spots on a small section, just wipe it off with a quick detail spray. Once we did that, we went ahead and we used that water spot remover gel. We worked it onto the surface until the water spots were fully gone. After that, we neutralized the surface with our Speed Wipe Quick Detail Spray, but remember, you can also use water. And last but not least, you obviously don't want those water spots to come back, so right now would be the time that you apply your protection. That's right, protection. You want to make sure that you apply some kind of protection, like whether it be a wax, a sealant, a ceramic coating, any of those will work great, so as long as you apply at least one. So if you guys have water spots on your car and want to remove them, you can pick up our bottle of water spot remover gel directly on our website at chemicalguys.com, or you can also swing by your local detail garage store, and we also have it available as a kit with all the products that we use on today's video. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you guys on the next one.